एबे भी समय अछि मो कथा मानि नियो। एबे भी समय अछि सत कहि दियो मते। एबे भी समय अछि सुधुरी जाओ। गाइज आज आम यही सब सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश रे सिखिबा। चलंतु प्रथमे यार स्ट्रक्चर जान नबा। प्रथमे आपन को लिखबा पड़िबो देयर इज स्टिल टाइम। तापर आपन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस लिखिबे। चलंतु किसी एग्जांपल संगरे याको भलो भाबरे बुझबा को चेष्टा करिबा।
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
एबे भी समय अछि किछि करो। There is still time. Do something. There is still time. Do something. एबे भी समय अछि सत कहि दियो मते। There is still time. Tell me the truth. There is still time. Tell me the truth. एबे भी समय अछि मो कथा मानि नियो। There is still time. Obey me. There is still time. Obey me. एबे भी समय अछि अटके दियो तांकू। There is still time. Stop him. There is still time. Stop him. एबे भी समय अछि कहि दियो जहाँ भी कहबार अछि। There is still time. Speak whatever you have to. There is still time. Speak whatever you have to. एबे भी समय अछि फॉर्म अप्लाई करि दियो। There is still time. Apply the form. There is still time. Apply the form. एबे भी समय अछि सुधुरी जाओ। There is still time. Mend your ways. There is still time. Mend your ways. एबे भी समय अछि मो कथा मानि नियो। There is still time. Obey me. There is still time. Obey me. Or you can say there is still time. Accept my words. एबे भी समय अछि किछि खाई नियो। There is still time. Eat something. There is still time. Eat something. एबे भी समय अछि आसी जाओ। There is still time. Come. There is still time. Come. एबे भी समय अछि परिश्रम करो। There is still time. Work hard. There is still time. Work hard. एबे भी समय अछि हटे दियो याको एठारु। There is still time. Remove it from here. There is still time. Remove it from here. आज आपण पई क्वेश्चन होची एबे भी समय अछि इंग्लिश कहबा आरंभ करो।